Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een amma ba'd. Today we will be talking about the different types of hadith and hadith in general. So before we continue, let us understand what is the definition of hadith. The qawl, the fi'l and the taqreer of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the qawl, the fi'l and the taqreer of the Sahaba Ikram radiyallahu anhum ajma'een. And the qawl and fi'l and taqreer of the tabi'een rahimahumullah are all called a hadith. It is also called as khabar and athar, news and effect. So hadith is not only just the words of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rather, it is the qawl, the words, the fi'l, the actions, and the taqreer of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Sahaba Ikram radiyallahu anhum ajma'een, and the tabi'een rahimahumullah. Now, let us go into more understanding into this definition. The Mubarak sayings of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are referred to as the qawl of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, yani his words, his speech, something that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. His actions are referred to fi'l. So how he sat, what he ate, what he did, how he rode, how he slept. These are all actions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And if a companion of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did something in front of him and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed silent on it, it is considered as taqreer. So that is what is referred to as taqreer. This is also the meaning of the words of the qawl, fi'l, taqreer of the Sahaba Ikram radiyallahu anhum ajma'een and the tabi'een. So it is the similar. So the qawl of a Sahabi, the fi'l, the actions of a Sahabi, and the taqreer, meaning his actions that were done in front of him, of the tabi'een or someone, they are also called as taqreer.